Good morning, guys. It is Monday morning and it feels like a Monday morning to me. I am so tired from the weekend. I had a really good time at my friend's shower. She looked stunning. I'll put a little picture up of her. I can link my dress, but her dress she had like custom made and it was so pretty. She looked stunning. But yeah, we had a really good weekend, but just feeling a little tired today, so I need to have a little extra coffee. But yeah, today we are going to swim lessons. We go every Monday and it's honestly like one of the best parts of the week. Remy has so much fun. She gets to interact with some kids, which I really like. I actually want to try to find a music class or something for us to join too, just because she loves music and she also loves kids. So just to get a little bit more interaction with kids, I think she'll have so much fun at, and I can't wait to be able to like go to the park because I just feel like we'll be able to like play with other kids there and stuff. That's like one downfall of being a stay-at-home mom. I feel like she doesn't get to like see a ton of kids during the week, so I'm gonna try to do that a little bit more now that she's getting just a little bit older. But anyways, a little sidetrack. So we're going to swim lessons, and then I usually get my groceries delivered, but I need to get some like lotion and body wash and that type of stuff from Target. So we're gonna go to Target after swim to grab groceries and just some like, I don't know, like home essentials. And then tonight we actually have a showing of our house at like 4:30, so I need to have the house like cleaned up for that. We have 2 more on Tuesday, so we're kind of busy with that this week. But yeah, that's kind of what today looks like. What am I gonna do? I have some flowers that I want to do really quick before I wake Remy up. It kind of stinks that swim, it always like interferes with her first nap, and I literally hate waking her up from a nap, but it's just what I gotta do. So I'm gonna probably do a little flower arrangement just to kind of, I still have stuff from her birthday party that is like getting really gross, so I just want to kind of update some of my vases before tonight. So I think I might do that. I have like 10 minutes before I have to wake her up. I was just gonna start putting some flowers into vases and play my audiobook. So when I drove for my friend's shower, it was like a 3-hour drive one way and I was by myself, so I was like, I need to get like a good podcast or something. So I actually ended up buying an audiobook, and I got Verity by Colleen Hoover, which anybody that's read it raves about it. Like they literally love it. It says like their favorite book, 10 out of 10. Like I haven't heard anyone say they didn't like it. So I was like super excited to start it. I'm a little over halfway and holy shit, you guys, it is so intense. It is, I don't know what I expected from the book, but I don't know. I'm like definitely at the part where I'm hooked and also scared, and it's just kind of a crazy book. I'll keep you updated if I finish it, but I've been like playing it on and off this morning, just listening to it because I can't stop. So I'm sure like if you're reading it, it's like one of those books you literally can't sit down because it's crazy. Let me know if you guys have read it and if you liked it. I've heard the ending is insane, so I'm kind of like dying to get to the end. But anyways, if you're needing a new book either to listen to or to read, I would suggest this, even though I haven't finished it. It's very sucks you in. Okay, we just finished swim, which is always so much fun. There's 3 other kids in her class, so there's 4 of them total. I would love to like bring my camera in because it's the cutest thing ever, but obviously I'm not gonna record a bunch of other families. But yeah, we just got done and now we're gonna run into Target to grab groceries, and yeah, I just need some like random stuff like vitamins and you know, all that. I was gonna say boring stuff, but I actually love picking out like new body wash and like body lotion and stuff like that. I don't know why, but I do. So let's head into Target and grab some groceries. We are back from Target. Remy is having lunch right here. And most of this stuff is just like very basic grocery things. So I'll just show you some of like the newer things that I got that I've never had before. The first thing I got were these little wraps. I thought these would be really good for lunch. I have a bunch of chicken that I left out, and I thought I would do like shredded chicken, and then we have like tomato, avocado, cheese, like onions, just to do little wraps for lunch. So I thought I'd get those. I feel like Remy could also eat those, maybe with like peanut butter or something in them. So we got those. And then tonight David's gonna make a pasta, and he's always looking for like, I don't know, kind of fun pasta noodles. And I found these bucatini noodles in kind of like their like fancier section. So I picked these up. I don't know if he'll use them tonight, but I just thought I'd get those for him. He is like obsessed with pasta, and he's really good at making different like pasta dishes. So he yeah, is gonna make that tonight. I bought these for Remy for just like, I don't know, when we're in the car maybe, or just like out on a walk. I feel like I don't really have a ton of like to-go snacks for her. Like when we were at the pool earlier, it's like around when she eats lunch, and I let her try goldfish for the first time and she loved them. So I thought I would get the little Annie's bunnies. So we picked up a box of those. This is a random, but David wanted to try the zero aluminum deodorant, and he tried this one by Dove, and he said he really likes it. So I grabbed him a couple of those. And then I have a very dry scalp, and I bought this shampoo and conditioner probably like 2 weeks ago or something, and I've been using it, and literally my head is so dry from it that it hurts. So I had to get something new, and this one's always worked for me. I just use the Dove, I guess it's like an anti-dandruff shampoo and conditioner. So I buy nicer shampoo, but I will like switch on and off because I definitely need to use like a dandruff shampoo at least like once a week. Otherwise I get like such bad like dry skin and dandruff, and it's disgusting. But that one seems to work for me. And then I needed new body wash, so I picked up this one. Honestly, I sat in that aisle for a really long time, like smelling a bunch of different ones, and I didn't really love any of them. This was my favorite by far. I feel like a lot of them are like, I don't know, very like fruity and florally, and I don't love that. But this one was really good. It's just like a Moroccan oil scent, which is always good. And then I also just needed some like all over body lotion, and I've always liked this little Nivea one. It's really easy, it smells really light, it's not like super scented, but I got this. The rest of it is just very basic grocery haul type of things, basically a lot of fruit and vegetables. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all this stuff away, and then probably try to get Remy down for her nap so that I can do like a deep clean in my house before people come to look at it. It is already 5 o'clock. I spent Remy's entire nap basically deep cleaning our house because I had that showing. They ended up just leaving, and David just got home, so I think we're gonna go for a walk. As much as it sucks to have to deep clean your whole house, it's also just so nice once it's done, and it makes me, because I have another showing tomorrow, I literally want to leave like all day tomorrow so I don't have to do this again. But anyways, it feels good to have the house clean now. She has David's ID right now, and she loves looking at the photo. Who's on there, Remy?
Remy, who is that?
Who is it? We just came outside and went for a long walk. I think we did like 2 miles or something. Feels so good, but we were just practicing her walking, which she's not super close to being able to walk on her own yet. We're just working on it, huh? Morning guys, it is Tuesday morning and Remy just woke up from her she just started making this face at me all the time. Well, I think I do it at her, like, and so now she's doing it back at me. You're silly. You're silly. Nana. Nana. Anyways, yeah, it's Tuesday morning. Remy just woke up from her first nap and she's having a little snack, and I am chugging coffee this morning because we had a bit of a rough night last night. She was up at like 2 and didn't go back down till like 3:30, and then was up again at 5 for the day, and we're all just a little bit tired around here, but we'll be fine. So today we don't really honestly have that many plans. I have to run to the bank and do like boring stuff like that, but other than that we don't really have anything going on. We have another 2 showings again for the house tonight, so I'll just try to like do as minimal things around the house as possible because I don't want to mess it up. But yeah, we'll have that tonight, and then yeah, that's really it. But let's see, I think we're gonna probably go to the bank next, and I'm kind of wanting to go to a thrift store. We'll see if there's one maybe by the bank, and we'll stop if there is, but yeah, we'll check in then. Just realized I was talking that entire clip with one earring in. One big gold hoop. That's great. This is the snack she's having right now. It's just kind of like a fruit roll-up essentially, but it's 100% fruit. There's no other ingredient in this except raspberries, and she's been really liking them. They come kind of like rolled up, and then I just like cut them once just because she obviously is still pretty little and can't kind of like bite them off. But yeah, they're really good for like on the go. So if you're looking for a snack, I think the pack we got was raspberry, mango, and strawberry. But yeah, they're really good. I'll even eat them randomly, but she likes them a lot. And these little jammies I got from Amazon. They're so cute. I'll put the link below if you guys want to check them out. There's a bunch of different patterns and boy ones too. But they're really cute and super soft. I just made us lunch really quick before we head out, and I used these flatbread little wraps that I got yesterday at Target. You guys, these are so good. They're super soft, and I was just looking at kind of the packaging after I ate them, and for one of these it's only 90 calories, so they're actually really good. And what I put on ours, I baked some chicken in the oven last night and just shredded it to have for these wraps. And then for mine, I put some pesto mayo, tomato, onion, avocado, and some lettuce on top, and it was so good. And now Remy's actually eating one too, and I did chicken, tomato, avocado, and just pesto on hers. I didn't give her like the onion or the mayo, but she's literally on her second half of this, and she's gonna eat the entire thing. So baby approved and mom approved, and really quick and easy to make, especially if you like prep chicken, or I'm sure if you just had like turkey or something from like the deli, it'd be just as good. But yeah, I don't know, I always struggle with like even dinner for her, I'm like, I feel like I give her the same stuff all the time, which I know babies, I mean, giving them the same stuff all the time doesn't bother them. But I just feel like I want to switch it up for her. So yeah, just kind of something fun and new that we tried today, and I think you like it. Is it good? Okay, we just got back from the bank and I put Remy down for her nap. So I am going to attempt my closet and my like dresser drawers. They're like out of control, and I know there's like a ton of stuff that I just haven't worn in at least a year. So I'm gonna try to get rid of a bunch of stuff just to kind of downsize and just be a little bit more organized. It's just a disaster in there right now. So although it sounds horrible, I'm gonna just do it, and I know I'll be thankful afterwards. I haven't decided if I'm gonna put up stuff for Poshmark or not. I'll kind of see, I guess, what I like find that I want to get rid of, if there's anything worth putting up there. I don't really like to put anything up there that's not like, I don't know, a nicer brand or something, because I just feel like it's not really worth my time, and it usually doesn't sell. So I do have a couple things that I know that I'm gonna put up there, but we'll see how it goes. Otherwise, I might try Plato's Closet, even though I know that's like almost a joke because you literally don't get anything for your clothes. But I don't know. Anyways, I'm blabbing because I just don't want to open that closet behind me. So I'm gonna do a little montage. We'll see how fast we can do this, and if I can get it done before Remy wakes up from her nap, which is highly unlikely, but we'll try. Okay, I actually managed to get my entire closet and my dressers cleaned out before Remy woke up. So that feels really good. I have a whole pile of clothes that I think I'm just gonna end up donating at this point when I was like going through them. I feel like the most I got rid of were like sweats or like old sweaters, and Plato's Closet usually will like only take the season that we're like coming into, so it'd be like spring clothes. So I'm just thinking it would be a waste of my time, so I think I might just send them off to Goodwill. But I'll show you guys everything I'm getting rid of. This is everything that I'm getting rid of. Feels so good to like just go through and kind of purge my dresser drawers. Honestly, I would say most of this was like, not most of it, but like a big chunk of this, like all of the stuff on the floor was in my dresser, and it feels so good to get rid of that. And then this is just stuff from my closet, but hopefully this inspires you to do a little spring cleaning. It feels so good once it's done, and it really didn't take me that long. So I'm gonna go ahead and bag all this stuff up. Remy, who are you talking to? Can you say yeah? Who are you talking to? Daddy? Okay, the house is clean. I have my Coastal Grandmother playlist playing. My candles are lit. We're ready for round 3 of showings. So that's what I'm going to be doing the rest of the night. And I'm going to end the vlog here, but I will see you guys on Sunday. Thanks for watching. Bye.